Today we're doing 3 Photoshop tasks. Go to your Photoshop Lessons folder and open Flower, Eagle, Snow Overlay 1, and Snow Overlay 2. First on the flower one, we're going to isolate the purple color and turn everything else to grayscale. Select Subject at the bottom. You can also go to Select Subject up here. Then select Inverse, Image, Adjustments, Black and White. Then OK. This one's pretty simple because your flower has good contrast with the green background. You're going to call this one Flower Copy Done. Save it into your folder, then click OK. Next, for the eagle one, we're going to add snow on top of it. This is often used for portraits where the weather isn't cooperating and you want to add either kind of comical or realistic snow. Open the Snow Overlay one first. We're going to try to use our shortcuts today. Select All is Control A on the keyboard. Copy is Control C. You can also go to Edit Copy. Move over to your eagle one, and we could go to Edit Paste, but again, let's try to use our shortcuts today. Control V for paste. On the Layers menu, go to Normal, then choose Screen. We can change the opacity here if we wanted to make it lighter or darker. This one looks okay. It's more comical. It's got these snowflakes. Let's try a more realistic looking one. We need to delete layer 1 by clicking it and dragging it to the trash can. Now let's click on layer 2. Control A for select all, Control C for copy, and then back on the eagle, Control V for paste. This one is not the right size. You can go to Edit Transform or Control T for the shortcut and make this one bigger than the eagle. When it's larger, click the check mark. Again, click Normal, go to Screen, and you can play with the opacity here. When you're happy with it, either with Snow Overlay 1 or 2, or if you wanted to, there are many different places on the web that you can download many different types of overlays. This one alone has 260 different ones you could choose from. And there are other patterns too. When you're happy with the Snow Overlay, File, Save a Copy, call it Eagle Copy Done. Save that in your Photoshop Lessons folder. Finally, you need to go find your own photo of anyone, anything, anywhere, any place, doesn't matter when or where or what you shot it with, and apply one of those techniques. Either do the color splash where you isolate one color or do a snow overlay. When you have multiple subjects, I wouldn't use the select subject. Instead, either the quick selection or the magic wand tool. In this case, I just want to select his shirt. And for this one, probably quick selection is going to work best. Plus, adding and minus or taking away is always at the top on both of those tools. Then from here, you can do whatever adjustments you need to create your own edited photo. File, save this one as whatever you'd like to call it as a JPEG and turn that one in on Schoology for the 3rd grade.